Hello friends, this is Kalpana Singh and you are on my channel Full Circle Marketing and Training. In my last video, I talked about how to answer the question during your sales interview, tell me about yourself. In the extension of that video, today I want to talk about what to wear, what not to wear for your sales interview. See, dressing is very important during any interview, especially in the sales interview. During the interview, the first 30 seconds is very important for making the first impression. And to be very precise, first 7 seconds is important in the job interview for making any impression. That's, as we say, first impression is the last impression. You will leave the first impression to the interviewer in the first 7 seconds. And as per the research, it is said 55% is on your appearance and 45% is on your sound. So how you appear, that makes a big point during the sales interview. So today in detail we will talk about how to dress up, what to wear for men and women both. As you all know, sales profession is a profession wherein 90% time you spend in the field. So when you are going for the sales interview, obviously the interviewer will see you if you are fit for the field environment. So your dressing should be like that. We will talk in detail today in this video. Please watch this video till the end, and if you like, please subscribe my channel for the next upcoming video. So let's start. In sales job, 90% time as people spend in the field, so interviewer always look at whether this candidate is fit for the outdoor working environment or not. So talk about now the dressing. Actually we all know for the sales interview or for any interview, as we all know, you should wear the light color, you should wear the gray, blues and all. See, the thumb rule for the clothing is, for the man, is wear the plain shirt, grey shirt or cream color shirt with the tie and a nice trouser. Do not go for the Bermudas, do not go for the funky colors. Do not dress up as you are going for the some kind of discotheque or so. See, nowadays the youngsters are very cool with their dressing, and they think if they will wear the cool and they will look cool during the interview, that will be good. No, for the sales interview they look at how presentable you are professionally. So you need to be as professional in your dressing as much you can. And it is always said, be overdressed than being underdressed. So have a tie, belt and trouser and match your shoe color with your belt. That is a thumb rule. For the women, I would like to say, you can obviously go for the light colors, earthy colors, neutral colors, rather than the jazzy, very bright colors like red, like violet colors, or very showy colors, right? Avoid all these colors. Please understand, you are going for the interview, you are going for the party. So for the girls, I would like to say, you can wear a professional suit, you can wear trouser with the shirt, or you can wear a formal formal clothing. That's it. Do not go with the very high bright color dressing. Now come to the shoe. For the men, I would like to say, have the matching shoe, polished shoe, not a very dirty shoe, right? Avoid wearing sandals, chappals for the interview. You should look professional. For the female, I would like to say, do not go for the high heels, chappals, sandals for the interview. Please understand, interviewer is going to judge you upon how comfortable you will be during your field job. So if you are wearing the high heel, then obviously the impression would not be that much sound. You will be able to deliver the field job. You will be able to do 7 to 8 calls during the day. If you are going with the you can say the small heel, valley or professional shoes, it will give you comfort as well as give you the sense of being comfortable for the field job. Now coming to the hair. For the man, I would like to say have a professional haircut, normal haircut, not a very funky haircut. Do not go with the peacock hairstyle. See, you might be 22, 23, 24-year-old guy. You would like to, experiment with your hair. But for the professional sales interview, this would not leave a serious impression in the interviewer mind. So have a professional haircut. Avoid streaking your hairs as well as decoloring your hairs. See, it would not leave the professional impression during the interview and even during your professional career in sales. For the girls, I would like to say nowadays, girls want to open their hair, leave their hair, flying here and there. But for the sales interview, it would not suit that much. As I told you, 90% time you need to be in the field, and with the open hair, driving, traveling, meeting with the clients, 7 to 8 calls in a day, your open hair would not be comfortable. So you can tie your hair with the one ponytail, or you can have a small bun, or you can leave your hair open as well. But I think so if you have long hair below the shoulder, then you need to tie it cleanly. Now coming on the accessories. For the male, it should be you can say a smart watch you can have, and you can say you can have a ring if you are married, your wedding ring. That's it. Do not go with the over accessories like having the bracelet, having a chain in the or piercing your earrings. Do not go with the earrings and so on, as nowadays youngsters are having the fun with the earring and all. So please avoid all this stuff for the sales interview. Only one smart watch will work for you. Now coming for the female candidate. For the female candidate, accessories should be minimal, no junky, no funky accessories should be there. I would like to say, if you are appearing for the sales interview, have the minimum jewelry. You can have a smart wristwatch, you can have a small earring, studs kind of, right? No danglers, no big junky funky jewelry on your arms, on your neck. It's not required. For the interview, you are actually showcasing yourself, how you will present yourself in front of the client. So interviewer would like to see what kind of dressing sense you are having. So have the minimum jewelry on you on the interview day. Coming to the makeup section, like as I said, for the male candidate, please do not over gel your hair. Please do not do the streaking in your hair if you are appearing for the sales interview, right? Keep your hair little a little normal, and comb your hair nicely, and that's it. For the female candidate, I would like to say you should avoid too much makeup. Please understand, again, keep the thumb rule. You are appearing for the sales interview, and for the sales interview you should showcase yourself, how comfortable you will be during the field sales calls. So minimum makeup should be there, like you can have the a kajal little bit, you can have little bit neutral color lipstick. That's it. Do not go on makeup in the full form. Please understand, you are not going for the receptionist job or for the air hostess job, and you are not going there to showcase your makeup skill. So please understand, keep the as minimum as possible makeup. So friends, the thumb rule here is be neutral, be natural, be professional, and keep the professional clothing and dressing during the sales interview. That's all from my side. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section. I will come forward and discuss in my next. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Subscribing channel will help you to update with my upcoming videos, and I would like to talk to you on the topic which you want me to discuss. Till then, practice the right things, imbibe the new habits and be successful and get the right job quickly. Thank you so much.